Welcome back. A Panaji Special Court has dismissed a petition seeking direction to register FIR against Speaker of the Goa Assembly, Rajendra Arlekar, in alleged disproportionate assets case. While dismissing the petition, the court observed that to register FIR against State Speaker, prior sanction of government is required. The lower court has directed the petitioner to take instruction from the High Court in this matter. The Panaji Special Court under the Prevention of Corruption Act on Monday dismissed a petition seeking direction to Anti-Corruption Branch to register FIR against Goa Speaker Rajendra Arlekar in alleged disproportionate assets case. The court rejected contention of petitioner advocate Iris Rodriguez that just to register FIR prior sanction is not required. The court observed that allegations have been made against Speaker of the Goa Assembly, hence sanction from government is required. The lower court also directed the petitioner to take instruction from the High Court in this regard.
Learned Judge B.P. Deshpande has opined that the application is premature since there is no sanction from the government to register the FIR against Rajendra Arlekar, and the court has advised me to take up the matter with the Honorable High Court.
Petitioner earlier in his complaint with Anti-Corruption Branch had alleged that Rajendra Arlekar purchased a 500 square meter plot at Porvaram for Rs 72 lakhs. Complainant also contended that Arlekar had filed an affidavit before Goa's Chief Electoral Officer on 9th February 2012, in which he had declared his income for the year 2010-11 as 2,76,000 rupees and wife's income 5,87,000 rupees. Hence, the purchase of the plot for Rs 72 lakhs by Rajendra Arlekar is clearly disproportionate to his last known source of income. But ACB has refused to register FIR so far, stating that in their preliminary inquiry, they have not found any ingredient of commissioning of any cognizable offence. Petitioner advocate Iris Rodriguez will now challenge Special Court's order before the High Court. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Anti-Corruption Branch of Goa Police has registered a case of corruption against Bhupal Gaonkar, a lower division clerk posted at the office of Civil Registrar cum Sub-Registrar Ponda. ACB has found that the accused LDC issued a receipt of 1,500 rupees instead of 100 rupees as fees for change of name. Police has booked Bhupal Gaonkar for corruption and cheating. After holding a preliminary inquiry, Anti-Corruption Branch on Monday registered FIR against accused lower division clerk Bhupal Gaonkar for corruption and cheating. Bhupal Gaonkar is posted at the office of Civil Registrar cum Sub-Registrar Ponda. FIR has been filed following a complaint filed by Civil Registrar cum Sub-Registrar Ponda Hanuman Desai. Bhupal Gaonkar is accused of issuing a receipt of 1,500 rupees instead of 100 rupees as a fee for change of name to the Shiroda-based applicant Vitti Karmankar on 24th September this year. ACB has booked accused Bhupal Gaonkar under various sections of Indian Penal Code and Prevention of Corruption Act for committing criminal misconduct, committing criminal breach of trust while performing his lawful duty. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.